Hello, everyone. This is Najah, your favorite Avon representative. And I want to thank you for taking the time out to view this quick tutorial on how to order from the digital brochure. Okay, as you see, I already have everything up for you guys. So we're going to go, how we do this is we're going to click on digital brochure. So as you guys see, they have three different brochures plus the flyer where you can order from. If you look on the side over here, you have the regular campaign 26, which is this brochure, the goodbyes with all the great sales and deals up in there. And then we have the holiday, then we have the holiday brochure and the LG flyer brochure as well. But right now, we're just going to focus on this one because it's the same for everyone that's listed here. Okay, we're going to click on that. And this little arrow right here, we're going to click on. And by the way, too, they do have the index guide, the menu, with the table of contents as well, where you can just go straight to where you need to go to, which is the holiday, skincare, wellness, makeup, fragrance, jewelry, fashion, home, bath and body, and hair care. Okay, so that is so awesome. And you can also download to PDF as well. Here, they do have a little short video. You guys probably can't hear it. That'll play for you 10 seconds. Okay, which is awesome. That's one of the things that I do love about the new brochure, the digital brochure online, that you can actually see some of the videos of the products being used and tried on. So right here, they have a little shopping bag. You will click the shopping bag and you will add to bag. Up here in this little corner, you're going to click on view bag and checkout. Okay. And from here, you're going to proceed with checking out your merchandise. And if you do not have an account with me already, you're going to create an account. If you do, you put in your email information and you proceed with your order. Create an account is simple. You come in and you fill out your name and information, your address, and you also will register with me if this is for the first time. You will need to create an account with my online store, and voila, that's it. Just that simple. Okay, and also, while I do have you on here, oh, I'm not going to sign in, sorry. If you're looking to make some extra cash, some extra money, you can also sign up. Click on Become a Rep. Join it. It's absolutely free, you guys, to join. Okay, and earn a $25 commission on $40 on when somebody purchases $40 on beauty orders, and then you can save when you buy for yourself as well. Okay, and down here it tells you about the earnings, the products, the benefits of Avon, and the Avon Experience digital tool, and they also give you training. And of course, if you sign up with me, I will be your mentor, and um, I'll put you in the groups on Facebook if you have a Facebook, and I'll add you on to the other groups with other ladies that are representatives in our area. Okay. And that's about it, you guys. Make sure you like and subscribe and share this video. And thanks again. Until next time, peace and blessings.